So, something came in the mail today. So let's slice this sucker open and see what it is. I think Denton, I ordered this on the 15th to 31st. People say it takes them about a month to 2 months to get there. Oh, it's a package slip. Whatever that is. And I got mine in about, please do the math right. Let's see, 15, 5, 15, 16. 16 days I got this. It's a box inside of a box, inside of a box, inside of a box. It's gonna be. Okay. Mushroom my ham. Oh yeah!
Ooh. Is that Alienware?
Yep! The only reason I was able to get this is because of you guys watching my videos. Wasn't for you guys, I want to be able to get this cool setup, computer, but here we go. Remember, you guys are the only reason I'm able to do these videos. Not me, only you guys. So, able to watch through my videos is really cool. Look at the box. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's designs on the box. See?
Yeah, definitely.
Now look, you can see them right here. Look, see?
Wow.
You can somewhat see them.
That's definitely not.
Look, there's windows or whatever. Look, it completes the mothership. Aliens, motherships, stuff like that.
Look, you just pull out that thing.
Here we go.
And cord.
Oh yeah, I totally needed a.
Look at that. What is that?
Future Dallas here editing this video. Fun fact, I'm actually still using that little mouse that they sent. It's actually pretty decent. Keyboard, not so much. The W and A key, I think, quit working because they don't really work. So I'm using my Logitech one. It looks really cool. But I'm actually still using that mouse. It's actually really decent, except for on the right side, it's a little bit sharp. Figured to fill it in because the computer's really good for editing and also mouse. So back to your daily program.
Whenever you get speed bridge on this thing, it's so hard to click.
It's a cord.
Why do you even get your fake money in here?
Because.
Oh, I got a tiny short cord. I'm glad I'm going to be putting it close up. Alienware talks about the ports and what they do.
Look, it comes with a keyboard.
Okay, let's figure this out. Is that keyboard? Oh, I'm gonna have a bruise right here tomorrow. Is it gonna be better than this?
I don't know.
Which one's gonna be better?
I don't think so. I think it's just gonna be like a flat black keyboard. Oh, look, I was right.
There's this magical thing called Be Free. I just nearly broke
Trying
something.
to break something?
I didn't want to be the first time I nearly broke something. Okay, let's see.
What is that, Logitech or something?
No.
Oh my
Same
gosh. That is like from...
Wait, here, listen.
It's like from the 1500s.
For some reason, I actually really like this.
I know.
But if you look at the designs... Wait, look at this. They look exactly the same.
But they're not.
Alienware official. Look, Denton.
Oh, it's Alienware official.
No, it's not Alienware. Look.
I figured.
If you need an extra bit of room, look, then you flip these things out. Lift it up. If you want no room, put it down. I might use that. I'm totally gonna have to use this mouse until I order a mouse, and also a second monitor, because I forgot that. You
Wait.
have to have a monitor.
You're not gonna use like your $50 mouse?
No, because if I'm editing, I'm going to.
What?
If I'm editing, I want to run downstairs and get something. I gotta get a mouse. You ready?
Yeah.
Before I show you guys this, like, subscribe, and share the video, because you guys are the only reason I'm able to do this. I have to be that side goes up. Ready, Den?
Yeah.
How in the world are they expecting me to get this out?
They flip it over. Flip it.
Which way is right side up?
The Alienware's the top.
Whoa.
Good enough.
Here we go then.
Alright.
Ow. Hole in the box.
Hole in the box. There it is. What the heck?
Oh my. Grab this thing not to break it out. Hole in the box. We're pulling this. Oh, the lights flickered. There it is! Oh, jeez, this thing's heavy.
With plastic on it.
Wow. Oh, it's anticlimactic. Alright, let's just go ahead and remove this. Oh, look at that. Yeah, don't quote me on this, but I'm a terrible peeler. Oh, great, I'm smudging it all up. Oh no, I'm smudging my new computer. Who cares? It'll get dirty anyway. It's a Core i5 10th gen. Look at that sticker. I wish they would have just stuck it here because right here looks cooler. Oh, that's the on button.
Yeah. What's the plug?
How do you open this thing? Well, I'm trying to figure out what this switch is for. Unlock. Lock. I don't know what that is. Hopefully I didn't mess something up. There's a lot of headphone jacks. I sound so dumb right now.
Those are auxes.
I know. I know the bottom one looks like a microphone one. If I can remember right. If I
A
can...
microphone one?
Yeah, microphone headphone jack.
You almost dropped it.
I know I did. Well, there we go. Holy cow. Metal.
There it is.
Wow, look at that sucker. What are these for?
Oh, I thought you needed a bolt. Never mind. Ooh. Whoa.
Look at that sucker. Get your fan. That was like that's the RTX. Look then.
That's an RTX in this thing?
Yeah, look, this is the RTX. There's a holder for the RTX also.
Wow.
i5 9th gen RTX. I think it's a 1660 Super. Killer wireless and I can't remember the name of it. DDR4 RAM. Look how many slots are there. There are 4 slots. So these are HyperX, 3000 hertz, I believe, RAM. I'm trying to remember what fan type this is. I don't remember exactly.
It's just a fan.
No, there's names for fans. And there's a big fan up here that blows the air in to cool everything down. I've not seen anyone say it gets really hot, so hopefully that's the same for me. But it looks really cool. Put it right here.
That's definitely not gonna melt the carpet.
What?
I said it's definitely not gonna melt the carpet.
I don't think so. It goes right here. I'm just gonna cook my ports. This is all falling down again, so I'll stick that back up. Hey, can you have the power port?
Yeah!
I'll just grab my DP port.
Here you go.
Hi, camera. So, when me and Denton were over there putting the box back together over here to throw all the trash in it to make the clear recording, our current rod decided to fall. And when it fell, it hit my monitor right here. And I wasn't expecting it to fall. I don't think any of us were. Nothing was near it. And now when we return it on, this side this way is completely cracked and won't stay on. So, rip monitor. Broken monitor, Denton's TV. Oh man, I hate myself right now. So, ready to power it on?
Yep. Ooh.
Oh. Oh, shut off. Oh, they're not going. Oh, that's so cool, getting a phone. That's so cool. Oh, Alienware boot it up on that thing. Take this. I'm gonna switch the power ports on these things. Is there a display port on this thing? Dang, there's no display port. I'm gonna plug the port right off that one on the left. There we go. What the heck?
Fan center.
That is a cool table. Look at that cool table. That's a cool table. Well, took Minecraft forever, but we got it, and it's time to run Minecraft. You ready, then?
Yeah.
How much FPS do you think?
20.
Great, 20. That's always a great number.
60.
60, yep, there we go. 60 FPS.
Well, did you do everything to it? Did you like...
No, I have not calibrated it.
Look at that ugly skin. Honestly.
Really ugly skin.
Yeah.
Everyone got to have their own saying. Gots with a Z is what my saying. Gods.
No.
Gods. I got it. I got it.
Alright, what are we looking at?
Well, we're going to mainland because that's where you really push it.
Well, you could have joined us in our world.
Well, that would destroy the fact of running on the graphics card.
Nah.
Are you ready or not?
Yeah.
FPS be like 260, 250, 300, 700.
729.
Hang on, I know how to make this better.
Fabulous.
400, not even 800.
We gotta turn it down.
Trunk that down. 800.
Oh!
1400. How much more can we get? 1400 up? Oh, dang, I think 1400. What kind of FPS am I going to expect on a server that's hosted by the same internet source?
Trash. The FPS is gonna be good, but the
Look at
internet-
my hand. Ooh, ooh, wee. I'll just put my mouse up here. Ooh, little hand. Here's the computer. It looks pretty good. It looks like what is this thing called? An air like not air conditioning unit. It looks like something like those alien spaceships have. It's
Sure.
getting really, really warm on top.
I wonder why.
I have to listen. There's no noise. I don't know if there's something wrong with it or is that just normal and how that desktop's supposed to be. I was told Alienware isn't good. It's a YouTuber!
Where? Mogi.
Oh dang it!
Mogi. What's up?
Mogi.